back, everyone. Today we are here with a 2.7 liter Dodge Intrepid engine. This one with us is specifically for the model years 98 to 99. It was the pioneer for Chrysler's cab forward design. Although this one, again, is only for the model years 98 to 99, its successor can actually be found in early model Magnums, Concords, 300Ms, and LHSs. This is a 24-valve dual overhead cam engine, and it does feature an aluminum block, cast iron cylinder liners, and aluminum heads. As you can clearly imagine, these are definitely flying off the shelf. So you're going to want to give your drivetrain genius a call to claim yours today at 888-842-0023.